Okay, now we want to test the script now that we have it added to all the relevant project boards. Let's do a quick check of our setup. We have our overview board with the preset lists. Now we're going to go, and we can see that all these lists are empty. They don't have any cards. So let's go back over to Finish Movie Review. To test the script, we're just going to run it manually. So we're going to go to Automation, Rules, and then over to Scheduled, because we created a scheduled rule. And here we can see our aggregator script is here. In order to run it, there's a rocket looking icon in the top controls above the script. We'll simply run that now. Keep in mind, when you run a script, you will run it within the scope of the board that you're currently on. We're in Finish Movie Review. So we expect this to run with Finish Movie Review scope. That means board name in the variables here will be replaced by Finish Movie Review. So what we will expect is for all of the cards from in progress on that board, Finish Movie Review, to be moved over to a board or over to a list named Finish Movie Review on the board overview, because that's what our script says to do. So first, it'll wipe out the empty lists that we have on overview. Then it will create a new set of lists that are empty with the name of the project board, and then it will populate the Finish Movie Review list with the in progress cards from Finish Movie Review. Okay, so we're going to run it and then take a look. Also at the bottom of the screen, we'll see some log output as it runs. So down here we can see that it's running the automation. We got a green check, so it ran. We can check the details here. It ran Finish Movie Review. It archived the list. It created a new list on that board, and then it copied one card from in progress to the list Finish Movie Review. So let's take a look at Finish Movie Review again. Right, so our in progress list only has one card, Write Critique for Blog. So we would expect to see that over on Overview. And we do. So we see Finish Movie Review. This list is in the first position, and the card is there. Now we don't see any cards for Vacation Prep or Finish Spring Cleaning, and that's because we only ran the script for Finish Movie Review. So next up, let's actually take a look at what happens when we run the script against the other boards. We verified that when we do run it, we actually get the card moved over for Finish Movie Review. And we didn't lose, because we're going to move back over into Finish Movie Review board. We didn't lose the card. That's why we did copy. If we had done move, it would have completely removed the card, and that's not what we want. We want all of our project boards to remain functional, and our aggregate board simply giving us an overview of everything we're working on for this particular board at this particular time. Okay, so in the next step and then the next video, we'll actually go ahead and verify this against the other two boards as well, and take a look at how the actions in the script affect our output in the overview board.